Have you ever dreamed of a platform that could facilitate cryptocurrency transactions in a retail environment? Well, we're going to have a look at this platform today, which can make that very dream come true and basically open the door for thousands of businesses across the globe, no matter whether they're small, medium, or large enterprises. They can now access over 400 million users that could pay for their products or services with cryptocurrency. This is effectively effortless crypto commerce. So I want to talk about it with you guys. It goes by the name of SpacePay, as you can see right here. SpacePay is a decentralized terminal agnostic payment protocol embedded within card machines. So as you can see, the picture right here kind of gives you a big hint as to what this is. So yeah, really excited to see what this one can do here, guys. It's tokenizing the product, they're turning it into their own token as well, which is fantastic. And this could be a very bullish one. So if you like the idea of making some potential big gains here in the crypto space, maybe flip 1K to 10K, this could be a fantastic project to maybe see that happen. So let's just get to know the product first. We can see we're seeing these, I don't know what do you call them? I have no idea what you'd call them, but these card sort of machines, right, that would accept payments from customers in stores. And it says compatible with all Android point of sale terminals. So it's transforming the customer journey, the POS, like never before. You can see over here, you've got SpacePay branding all over these card machines too with the software. So it says boost your Android POS terminals functionality and transform your payment options with SpacePay, ensuring reliability and also innovation. And you can see they're recognized by Barclays Edge Labs, UK Innovate, as well as Global Awards 2023 and 2022. You can see easily use the POS terminal. So SpacePay enhances POS operations for merchants through the simple to use payment APK, enabling customer purchases with cryptocurrency while ensuring merchants receive funds in their local currency seamlessly. So I guess you could say it's like a sort of an intermediary, the customer is paying with the cryptocurrency, but the actual merchant will still receive the normal fiat currency depending on their geographical location at the time. But you can see it says this direct method mitigates all risks for retailers, broadening the purchasing power for cryptocurrency enthusiasts. So crypto people get to deploy their cryptocurrency, and retailers still get to just get the fiat currency that they want to gain for, selling the product or service. And that means they don't have to, of course, hold cryptocurrencies that could have volatility attached to them. So this is really cool. It says begin accepting crypto payments and tap into a network of over 400 million new customers. Of course, this is what really the business owners will be looking at, and they'll be looking at this website here and considering the product to onboard it into their own business. So it says attract new customers and deliver an unforgettable experience. As you can see, there's an application here as well. We can see paying to Walmart just as an example, and then the payment being successful there with a little countdown of the payment being awaited as well for the product. So this is really cool to see. We'll definitely want to learn more about this, and I think it's worth you guys doing your own research and due diligence on this one here. You can see SpacePay have got a LinkedIn profile, and I understand that the CEO, Maxwell Bunting, awesome guy, not some AI generated character. He is a real person, and you can see he's got some experience as well, with passing on as a volunteer over the last 6 years, 7 months. He's done that in the past. So he's a real person, his dogs, his KYC'd, and he's got this wonderful project that he's now starting to push to the crypto world. And this could be a great start, a great new product to disrupt the markets and effectively be one of the next big things in the crypto space. So like I say, guys, they do have a pre-sale, and the wait is over. As you can see, just earlier this month the pre-sale did begin, which is absolutely fantastic to see. So they're now pushing that as well and getting that out to the Web3 side. Also, so revolutionize your payments with SpacePay. It says leap into the future of payments. The platform ensures every transaction is fast, secure, and opens new doors for your business. Welcome to the next level of commerce. Crypto payments effectively made simple for business owners, whether they're selling sports equipment or food or technology. It should be something that business owners they start to think about implementing to their business, because they could be restricting revenue, or maybe, lots of people in the crypto world have more cryptocurrency than actual fiat these days. So it could be a much better and more suitable option for them to do this. So it's a benefit for the the consumer, but also a massive benefit for the business owner at the same time, being able to satisfy those consumer needs. Here we can see is where the fun really starts. This is where you can actually see the pre-sale, 20 days, 13 hours. We can see the price of this could potentially be going up again. They've raised $190,453. One space pay token here with the token ticker of SPY is $0.00147, and it looks like it's natively on the ERC20 Ethereum chain here. You can actually buy across different I don't know if it's going to be different chains as a whole, but you can prompt to buy with BNB, Matic, Avalanche, Base as well, which is really, really cool to have those options if you do want to mitigate those larger transaction fees. So it says invest in tomorrow today and overall empower the future of payments with Space Pay. So it's a London-based fintech startup backed by global investors, which empowers payment companies and merchants with next generation cryptocurrency solutions. So this is something that's very well needed, I think, in the crypto space. There's a lot of hostility and it's just difficult all in all to buy things with cryptocurrency these days. So very cool platform, I will definitely have to admit that. Do remember, this is not financial advice. Pre-sales, ICOs are indeed a risky thing, but if you believe in the product, the utility and the fundamentals behind it, it could always be a good thing as well. So roadmap wise, we'll explore that next. You can see the early achievements and milestones. Well, the fundraising side of things, they secured $750,000 from private investors, which reflects strong investor appetite, but also confidence from those stakeholders. Also the development side of things, it says our MVP is completed and currently in private beta, focusing on refining features based on user feedback. Regulatory compliance, so they've got the full green flag to go and push forward, and industry awards as well. So you can see in 2022 and 23, new payment platform of the year at Corporate Livewire Global Awards was awarded to this particular platform, being Space Pay. So it's absolutely fantastic. Now obviously we don't know the future, but coins like this do have large potential because they have firstly got a doxed person behind the project, so they can't run away if they do something wrong, and that always gives some transparency and trust between the developers and the end user. Now the token contract is here on screen, as we can see. That is the contract address, 5 decimals, ERC20, SPY being the symbol. Tokenomically, we can see here we're not actually being given you can see the total number of tokens, because maybe that is depending on demand for the project, but this is the split that they're working with, which is 20% for pre-sale, 18% for partnerships, 18% for marketing, 18% for rewards and loyalty. Team will get 5% and development 10%, reserve funds 17% over there. So that is overall the split, as you can see, and I must say it is a very cool project, and you can't really fault the product if it's going to be as powerful as it is and really cure these areas. I think that could be absolutely fantastic. So we identified the price here as 0.0147. That's 2 zeros. Look at this little price prediction here on Techopedia. I did do a bit of research on the token itself, as this article over here by Techopedia, they've covered it because it's already gaining a bit of traction in the markets, which does look very cool. They are predicting by 2024 the high could be 0.025, so it's like a 50% increase. 2025, that's next year, we're looking at like a 3x, and then by 2030 to even potentially remove an entire zero, which could be delivering around a 7x, which is, I guess, could be quite conservative. It could also just be pragmatic. I don't 100% know. If we had more details here in terms of the overall tokens being sold and the launch market capital, that would make things a little bit easier to determine what the true sort of upside potential could be. But I think overall coins like this usually launch around sort of a $2 to $10 million market capital. I do think it'd be very, very cool, like I say. So buckle up. Pre-sale is set to increase by 3x before it ends. So if you're getting an early, the way it's going to go by the time it does launch, they're trying to get a launch price of 3x. So if you get in, say, $500 now, you should potentially have $1,500 worth of tokens by the end of the pre-sale. Of course, always speculation. I do not have a crystal ball, but I'm just reading what I see on the website right here. So that's what I can deliver you information-wise on this one. Says here as well, for users, use your crypto like cash, only better. So it says we support an extensive range of popular wallets, making transactions as simple as scanning a QR code at the terminal, with compatibility for over 325 wallets. SpacePay simplifies cryptocurrency payments, eliminating complicated processes and inter-platform fund transfers. Experience the ease of seamless crypto transactions with us. And yeah, they can have an application, immediate payment confirmation, zero payment fees as a payee, rewarding user engagement, and overall it just looks so cool. So it's as simple as this. If you're making your first payment, you step one, scan the QR code on the POS terminal at the the merchant, and boom, you're done basically. Just step one. That's all we have. Step one. So it could be very, very nice, guys. As easy as, I want to say 1 to 3, but considering this as one step, it's pretty much as easy as one. But yeah, awesome project, guys, I must admit. About us, it says SpacePay is an innovative London-born fintech startup. The values is from a visionary spark to pioneering fintech solution. They want to be the biggest and largest and only fast-paced tech startup redefining retail payments for the crypto user, and also to remove any kind of bottlenecks for, I guess, business owners as well, because not enough business owners do accept crypto, and I'm sure they're facing the question these days: do you accept Bitcoin? Do you accept Ethereum? Do you take crypto? And it's kind of like annoying, because sometimes we want to pay with crypto for things, but we just cannot. So this is really interesting to see. I think that's a great project. We'll definitely bookmark this one, do an update on it in the future, guys. If you like this, link is down below. If you want to grab some of the tokens, like I say, the price will be going up. Raised $190,000 at the moment. You can buy it by connecting your wallet, such as a MetaMask or a Coinbase wallet, and you can transfer, shall I say, your Tether or USDC or Ethereum into those SPY tokens that you can see they're priced in at 0.00147, and according to that tweet right there, it should be launching around like a 0.0042 or something like that. 10 stages is what we know. So yeah, more on this later, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay crypto safe. Do remember, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research, due diligence, and never risk more than you can afford to lose. Bye for now. Stay crypto safe. Peace.